EMG TTI Combat Master John Wick 3. Shoutout kay Sir Clifford. So with license markings. So metal slide and metal din yung frame nya. So may underrail na rin for attachment, threaded OB, and then naka fiber optic sights yung front sight. So naka enlarged magazine release with magwell. Ayan, TTI markings. Dito sa magazine nya, ang markings is STI. Okay, so tetest natin. Chrono check 373. By the way, ang magazine capacity pala is 26 rounds. Okay, so chrono ko ulit 360. And then ang BB pala na gamit natin is 0.20. Ang gas is 12 kg na puff dyno. Okay, so for details, PM kayo sa page namin, Mavsabi PH. Again, shoutout kay Sir Clifford.